At our factory in Huntley, Illinois, that's about 1.5 hour drive from Chicago, we manufacture our classic kettle grills. We only use premium grade steel, and it takes an 800-ton press to create the perfectly shaped lid and bowl. The steel is coated in a biodegradable soap solution to minimize friction in the press. This secures an even stamping of the steel. The edges of the lid and bowl are carefully trimmed, so they fit together perfectly. You see, they must be very tight to keep the heat and the moisture inside the kettle. And you want that because it gives you the best fuel efficiency and a perfectly cooked food. Here we fabricate different parts for our patented one-touch system that makes it so easy to sweep the ashes out of your Weber grill. We mount almost all components at the factory, so our barbecues are easy to assemble. All parts are welded on by robot welding units to ensure uniform quality, and our employees check the quality at each step of the process. All dirt must be washed off so the porcelain enamel adheres properly. We fire on the porcelain enamel at 850 degrees Celsius. That's about 1700 degrees Fahrenheit, so that it seals the steel and protects the barbecue against rust and heat for many years to come. Out of the furnace, the lids and bowls undergo a daylight test, and I'm happy every time our inspectors find a fault. Why? Because it saves our distributors and consumers from having a bad experience. If there is a fault, we can spot grind the surface and fire on the enamel one more time. A minimum number of parts are used, so you can assemble your grill in 5 minutes or less when you take it home from the store. We pack assembly instructions and a cookbook with every barbecue, so you'll be a success from day one and can call yourself a real backyard hero. Every hour, we open up a random grill to check if all the parts are there. If anything is missing, we open all the boxes from the past production run. We want retailers and consumers to have the best possible experience with their Weber grill. The distribution center is about 65,000 square meters. That's about 650,000 square feet. And it's just one of our 3 centers in the United States. We ship products from here to create the best barbecue experiences for retailers and consumers all over the world.